Yo, on everybody. Want to snag 300 bucks right now? Monad is running one of the biggest airdrops of the year, giving away a massive 6% of the total supply. Average allocation is landing around $300, and early farmers are already seeing their bags roll in. So, what even is Monad? It's an EVM compatible L, 2 pushing 10,000 TPS with dirt cheap fees. They've already raised $250 million from top tier funds like Paradigm, Electric Capital, and others. The mainnet went live on November 24, and to celebrate, they're dropping Mon tokens to the community. They even posted all the details on their official Twitter, full breakdown, all the rules, and of course the link to the claim page. And since you're here for the good stuff, let's jump straight into the claiming process. Go to the official claim page at mondrop.xyz. I'll leave the link in the description. Connect your wallet. I'm using Trust Wallet for this one. Hit that check eligibility button and boom, I'm in. I've got around $2,700 in volume here, so let's see my allocation. I managed to claim 7,720 MON, which comes out to roughly 320 bucks at the current price. Your number might be higher or lower depending on activity.